5 Innovative Gaming Trends to Look For in 2019. The gaming industry continues to rapidly change as newer, more advanced technologies are introduced. Whether it is the popularity of virtual reality or the enhancement of television technology, game developers rely on such advancements to improve gamer experience in their games. The year 2019 is predicted to bring a lot of joy for gamers. As game developers tap into modern technology, gaming is predicted to be like never before. The 5 gaming trends you should look out for are: 1. Augmented reality. This is the technologically superimposed view of the player's real world, has performed exceptionally well in the gaming industry. Pokémon Go remained amongst the most popular games from the pertinent genre, bringing communities closer to one another. However, 2019 is set to bring in a larger influx of augmented reality games, but with a twist. Earlier, we saw games with noteworthy experience and storylines, but the target audience has craved for more. Fortunately, these desires have been answered, and it is expected that 2019 is set to unveil games with much stronger storylines, providing experiences more in synchronization with the actual player's settings. 2. Alternate reality. Alternate reality, comprising of both augmented and virtual reality, is set to experience wider application in both fields. Thus, meaning that new things are expected in the virtual reality domain as well. Virtual reality has remained a popular experience in 2018, but with limited application. Using the VR software, this technology presents landscape in the game that it replaces the actual world environment, hence creating disbelief and making the user believe that the environment he or she is exposed to is real. Previously, Oculus Rift has remained amongst the sole suppliers of this marvel, making it less accessible. It is thought that in 2019 PS4 will be launching its own headset, making it widely available. The augmented reality industry has witnessed surging inflow of invested funds each year, with significant attention being paid to virtual reality itself. Greater access will certainly translate in more games being made on three-dimensional reality format. The application does not stop at games alone, but is set to be introduced in other areas such as driving simulators and many others. Although some organizations have also previously used VR games to hire potential candidates based on grades exposed through choices made in VR games. All this is only set to be applied more extensively. Good news also for the prices for virtual reality in 2019. In fact, with the spread of this new technology, devices are now more affordable for everyone, also thanks to the use of Curry's Discounts and Deals, a well-known online store of electronics which has long been encouraging the distribution of viewers and consoles. 3. Gaming. Televisions today are far superior than ever before. They present users with crystal clear picture with virtually zero lag time. Game developers are steadily working on keeping up with television technology so gamers can have as realistic an experience as possible, in terms of graphics. There are games already in the market that are tailor-made for 4K display, but expect the number to grow even more in 2019. Whether you game on a console or computer, all you need to ensure is that you have the right 4K TV that can handle the upcoming games. 4. One controller to rule them all. We all are aware of the problems that come different controllers for each console. Rejoice! This will hopefully not remain an issue after Microsoft goes forward with its proposed adaptive controller, designed for people with limited mobility. This pertinent set not only connects with controllers but has the ability to create a personalized gaming experience even for joysticks of simple buttons. Although the controller is available for Xbox One consoles and Windows 10 PCs, 2019 may see an upgrade to the controller and bring PS4 and Nintendo Switch to the connectable consoles as well. Evelyn Thomas, the project manager, has gone to say that she would like the controller to work on all gaming consoles as it will be beneficial for all gamers when that happens. 5. Games that take emotions into consider. Another marvel awaited in 2019 remains Feeling First game designs. These will be one of a kind, enabling developers to expose players to emotions they will want them to feel. The gameplay and storyline will then be created, bearing in mind the emotions decided upon earlier. Although it deviates from the traditional gaming approach but may bring a whole new experience to the industry. As television technology allows realistic gaming, it allows gamers to use more appealing visuals to help connect with gamers' emotions. Bearing all this in mind, 2019 is set to bring notable changes in the gaming industry along with these trends which might set higher benchmarks for the industry to follow later in the future.